Hello, good morning, my neighbors. Good morning. Just want to share now. Yesterday they woke. Yesterday they don't late. And after the mix, so when you for go out a while, at this time you work. Try for doing this cough because here be so scanty and motorcar them really pass this edge will be left now. It broke. Go ahead and take the cough and I know how the cough deep. Yes, sir, good morning. So because of that, we try for complete this side so that we will get smooth right from down. We must carry cam. So we don't do this. We get some sand in here. We will definitely add it down there. We will go on. So this is the work yesterday. Mutka will come. Where the good dog will go here because this stone will be there. We'll try for hit them very well yesterday and delay with safe because we'll try back. It be so high small. Pass we then try for cotton back now. We'll pack and so. We'll say well this will need for cotton back. For we at least we must carry come. We okay. The way they go down, we go okay. Because this is street, a big, very big street. And I see how wide it is. 40 feet, full one. A wide past the main street. See, very wide. You see how wide it is. Like just go beyond and see. Very wide. They make it just a consume cement. But it's okay, and also na guarantee work we do. Very good work. We go last we long. Not try for make anything there like for love we done and quick, and at the end of the day we must try for pull out safe then dust then they come out now. We do them to the way that now we own property and we just for enjoy them for very long time. Very long time it will last. Very long time as I see because I know the mixture we will use. So this is the work. This is the work. We only get 14 bags cement. This is the work. This is the work. So the stone very good. We will use also. So insure out. And you forbid the grip. So we use 14 bag. So as I say, that 14 bag will get 20 bag, go 34 bag, then seal side all left. We will use them. We get stone. We will use for 34 bag, for our 20 bag. We get sand. We will use because at the end of the day, for only tap here, let me say they use this 14 today. We refill here because this the left and so now for can't add now. Can not be full. So then they can't add. We'll mix the 14 and for me, yeah, this 14 they start. Go down. So 34 go take it down the side. We no one let no material left now because then the thief material with the outside there is nobody for being security. I see. So then make will really be 120 bag by the grace of God so that all this material will finish. Whosoever will tap now, when the rain one come, then now we will consider the gutters them. And if also again we come to one, we will continue the concrete towards the other side. Once I tap, we will just continue for go because we team day, we save day, and just the same love, support, and continuation, then we can make it. We still get some stone where the man no have it break safe. We'll go with either side, but just take the peace, the unity, and the love again. But I know so we go do them by the grace of God. So I just go start down. I wanna see ya. Yeah, we tap. But also we tap you see why not stone not did this no for police board. Try for Adam Naya again. Try for put the cement go down so because this yesterday not full so now we left and so now from that side of the other now go down. On this side olive. Then we still get sand. On this side olive, we get stone. So this are the work yesterday. So yeah, we'll mix the 14 bag at the beginning from here. Go down. No side will take away, but we'll take away a little bit. So now this is the work yesterday. This is not 36 bag. And they used Naya yesterday. 36 bag from us. I stopped, so let me go with it up again so you will see. 36 bag. So now we don't get a wide straight. This is straight, very wide. Very wide, very big. So 2 lane, full 2 lane. So nobody knows scramble now again. See? So this edge be the break. So with the muscade go. So now they able to take a full turn. Take middle. They will take a full turn. The work not easy. We don't really try. We appreciate each other for each other efforts. So this is it. See the curve. Now we don't get a better curve because over here part it look smaller, but still using at the 60 feet car. 40 feet car. No, not the 40 feet. So with the sansan or this from here now we can take and go. So we still get stone and the top price go down to the edge yonder. So now this, thank you. This is not the work for yesterday. I'll not be able to show now due to myself being left in the concrete. I will plant because we don't mix already everything. We don't do in position now. I said we'll go out. Okay, thank you, bye. So whatever is still in at the ground, the work they continue today, and then go down the 14 bag where we get for done. Okay. So the balance natural will just try for and force bags them around. We will protect them for me. Alright. Bye to we all. And we'll say thank you again for everybody we all on put the resources that God provide for we more. Let God continue to put peace, love among we all as neighbor. We will live in this place with big unity. Take to be ground picking them and enjoy this road to the fullness by His grace. I believe we live on go ever go in vain. We all go enjoy Him to God in glory. Alright, we all thank you for the restless efforts, for everything will be put together as one family. Bye-bye.